inhabited, with the exception maybe of Mercury and Venus. Where water exists, life also exists. God be glorified said in the Quran, the Surah 21, the ayah number 30, وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. The explanation, and we made of water every living thing, the plant, animal, and man. So where water exists, life will be there. On the left, a picture of Mars from NASA showing clouds forming around high elevation sites in Mars. The cloud system to the far left surrounds the Olympus Mons, which is most high mountain in Mars. On the right, the fog covering the Valles Marineris, or the Grand Canyon of Mars. I think it is water filling this basin or ocean, and it is not fog. NASA said the 5 icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn show strong evidence of oceans beneath their surfaces. Ganymede, Europa, and Callisto at Jupiter, and Enceladus and Titan at Saturn.
Jupiter is orbited by at least 3 moons that contain oceans: Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Europa is crisscrossed by cracks and semi-rectangular features that look like ice rafts frozen into the surface. Below those immobile icebergs, researchers believe there is a vast ocean just below the icy crust, warmed by the tidal forces of Jupiter, containing about twice as much water as is found on Earth. In 2014 and 2016, the Hubble Space Telescope has observed what appear to be water vapor plumes coming out of the cracks near the South Pole. Photos of Ganymede from the Galileo space probe show ancient ice floes frozen into its surface. Moreover, Hubble has looked at Ganymede's auroras and seen signs suggesting an ocean's worth of salt water. Hiding beneath a thick crust of ice, the ocean on Ganymede could actually harbor as much as 4 times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Callisto also seems to contain a saltwater ocean beneath the icy crust, betraying its presence by the effects of Callisto on Jupiter's overlying magnetic field. In 2005, NASA's Cassini spacecraft found Saturn's moon Enceladus busily puffing plumes of water vapor and organic compounds out through fissures, now known as tiger stripes, in its frozen carapace. Cassini flew through the plumes frequently since then, and has discovered nanosilica grains and the presence of molecular hydrogen, both suggesting the movement of heated water on the seafloor of the icy moon. Other evidence provided by Cassini has convinced researchers that Enceladus has a global subsurface ocean spewing into space through these tiger stripes. Saturn's E-ring, the planet's second outermost ring, was actually formed from this water and ice. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has a landscape dotted with lakes and seas. The liquid on Titan's surface is not, however, H2O. Researchers believe the fluid sculpting Titan's surface is a mixture mostly of methane with smaller amounts of ethane and other hard-to-freeze hydrocarbons. Other bodies around the solar system also show signs of liquid water. In 2014, scientists using the European Space Agency-led Herschel Space Observatory detected water vapor coming from 2 regions of the dwarf planet Ceres. NASA's Dawn probe reached Ceres in 2015, and while the water vapor had subsided, there were other signs of water. Ahuna Mons is an ice mountain apparently formed from repeated eruptions of salty, muddy water. Also, widely reported bright spots in Ceres crater Akator are thought to be deposits of salt left behind by the escape and sublimation of briny water from below. Even distant Pluto may be an ocean world. As revealed by the recent flyby of New Horizons, Pluto's strangely molded surface features suggest the presence of a liquid underground.
Saturn's rings include water ice, especially the outer ring. On the left, there is part of the rings of Saturn from NASA. On the right, also from NASA, the Saturn rings are obvious. The interpreter of the Quran and the Bible, Muhammad Ali Hassan al-Hilli, who died in the year 1991, said in his book, The Universe in the Quran, published in Arabic, first version was in the year 1947. He said the planets are Earths like our Earth. They are Earths like our Earths. They contain mountains, seas, rivers, trees, gardens, and other things present on our Earth. They bear also some intelligent human beings who worship and serve God. And they include also animals. The plant on the planets, God be glorified, said in the Quran, Surah 27, the ayah number 25, أَلَّا يَسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ الَّذِي يُخْرِجُ الْخَبْأَ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَيَعْلَمُ مَا تُخْفُونَ وَمَا تُعْلِنُونَ. The explanation, will they not prostrate themselves to God who brings forth what plant is hidden under the soil in the heavens and the earth, and knows what secrets you hide within yourselves and what you proclaim. Animals and man on the planets. God be glorified said in the Quran, Surah 42, the ayah number 29, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ خَلْقُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَمَا بَثَّ فِيهِمَا مِنْ دَابَّةٍ وَهُوَ عَلَى جَمْعِهِمْ إِذَا يَشَاءُ قَدِيرٌ. The explanation, and of his signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth, and what he has spread abroad therein of beasts, that is, creatures moving on these planets. And he is all able to gather them if he wills. The planets bear intelligent beings, humans and genies. God be glorified said also in the Quran, Surah 55, the ayah number 29. يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شأن. The explanation, whoever is in the heavens and the earth begs of him. Every day their begging is for a new one of their affairs. The information in this video is derived from the book The Universe and the Quran, written in Arabic by the interpreter of the Quran and the Bible, Muhammad Ali Hassan al-Hilli, who died in the year 1991. And it is found, this book is found in the website Quran-ayat.com.